thunderstorm warning for central Pinal County in south central Arizona. This includes the cities of Florence, Coolidge, until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 4:10 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Mesa Ranch, or 6 miles north of Coolidge, and moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Santan Valley, Magma, and Encantara. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Move to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. If you encounter dense blowing dust while driving, pull over as far off the roadway as possible and park. Turn off your headlights and keep your foot off the brake. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Pinal, Arizona. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio.